Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You begin by listing SKUs and realistic daily order counts so you know what to pack now and what to reorder. Once done, sort packaging materials by size and fragility. This reduces decision time. Set up a compact station with tape, a scale, and a label printer with an arm's reach to speed every order. Make sure to create quick access bins for cushioning and returns paperwork so you won't slow down during a rush. You now optimize the actual packing flow. Pick a box that fits with no more than 30% void space because excessive filler adds cost and weight. For fragile items, wrap individually and use inner separators or molded inserts. For non-fragile goods, paper or recycled fill works. Once packed, weigh the parcel and apply correct postage. Then seal securely and affix invoice and return label facing up. Make sure to note you finish every order with a short quality check. Confirm SKU, item count, and that the shipping label matches the order. Next, batch shipments by carrier and destination zone to reduce trips and carrier charges. Before dispatch, record tracking and update the customer with ETA. If something goes wrong, use a damage claims kit. Photograph the packed item and package, keep timestamps, and log recurring mistakes to fix the process. This makes claims faster and prevents repeat errors.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.